Welcome. Today, we're walking you through the updated steps to permanently delete your Facebook account. Whether you're looking to protect your privacy or simply take a break from social media, this guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. Start by opening the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once inside, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu icon. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Next, navigate to Accounts Center. Within this section, tap Personal Details. Once you're in, select Account Ownership and Control. Here, you'll find the option for deactivation or deletion. Tap on it to proceed. Now choose the account you want to delete and tap Continue. Facebook may ask you to confirm your decision and provide a reason for deleting your account. You can skip this step if you prefer. After confirming, enter your password when prompted to verify your identity. Finally, tap Delete Account. This action will permanently remove your Facebook account. Keep in mind that Facebook provides a 30-day grace period during which you can cancel the deletion by logging back in. If you don't take any action during this time, your account will be permanently deleted along with all associated data. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook account. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share this video with anyone who might need help navigating the process.